Okay, Ryan Steinolfson here, and one of the biggest questions that I get in regards to Google My Business and just reputation and getting reviews, or not biggest questions, but one of the biggest reasons why, if you are a business owner, why it should be important to you, or why you might want to consider getting reviews on Google My Business, is because those reviews do show up on Google Maps. Google Maps is the number 2 most used application on a smartphone, and more people use it than any other. I mean, it's one of the top 4 or 5. At one point I think it was number 2. So, if you have a business and people are going to your business, they're finding you, they're showing up at your office, whether you're a dentist, a doctor, an attorney, whatever. The first thing they're going to see when they actually pull up your business, I mean, where would we be if we didn't have our Google Maps, right? I mean, if we didn't know how to get from point A to point B, well, I mean, you guarantee that if you're a dentist or a doctor or an attorney, before they come to your office, they're going to use Google Maps. And there's also there's Apple Maps. They're two different tools, and Apple Maps is not used as frequently, but reviews do show up on Apple as well. I'll tell you which reviews show up on the Apple Maps application. I'll kind of leave you in a little bit of limbo there, but I wanted you to just know that if you are a business, and I'll show you here. So, and by the way, for you guys that don't know, my name is Ryan Steinolfson. I help businesses and brands leverage their reputation in order to become the go-to business in their industry and their niche. And let me just show you. I'll show you my screen here really quick. So if I'm looking in San Diego and I type in ACCELER, accelerate marketing. Okay, so accelerate marketing and then San Diego. Okay. And this, by the way, is what you would want to type in order to find out what your reputation is if you're a business owner. So you definitely want to just see what comes up here on Maps and also just on the browser as well. So you go here to search, and like I said, I just tapped on it here. Hold up my one here. Pull up the one here. San Diego, and you can see there's the reviews that show up right there with my listing. You can see it, a marketing if they call, if they want to call, they can actually call right there. By the way, this is some of the calls by clicking on this. This is all calculated or kept track of in the website, and Google also keeps track of, when you do an page, they keep track of how many people click here for directions, and if they go to your website, they keep track of that as well. So anyway, I hope this helps. Put in any comments below. Let us know what you think, and go ahead and take our reputation quiz. Connect with us on Facebook Messenger. We'll talk to you soon.